There are many challenges in growing ginseng, and the most significant obstacle is that it is very susceptible to weather and Mother Nature. So ginseng requires the right amount of sun, as well as nutrients, moisture, and soil conditions to grow.
There's a saying that you plant the seed and it wants to die before it even grows. And that's so true. It comes up and you're fighting it all the way till harvest. Heat, water, Mother Nature, there's so many factors to keep the plant alive. It's a lot of work, it's stress. Make sure your site's good enough for drainage. You can't have water sitting. Just those kinds of things to keep it alive so that you have a harvest. Ginseng does not like direct sunlight. It dries up, it dies.
As you can see, we are using a cloth, and it's used to shade ginseng, simulating its natural low-light habitat. To put cloth over large fields, acres and acres of land, requires a lot of preparation.
So that it doesn't burn and it can stay the greenest and the healthiest it can be. Another major threat to ginseng is posed by many diseases, both soil-borne and airborne, which makes it an even more vulnerable crop. Proper temperature and proper moisture, they just explode. So you're always fighting all those.
Making sure you have the right dynamics of nutrients in the soil is vital. Not to mention ginseng, you can typically only grow it one plot of land one time, letting the soil to cultivate other crops. So the southwestern Ontario, with the advent of the Great Lakes surrounding it, it's a unique soil type where it's the right mix of very nutrient-dense soil and also relatively sandier soils, and that's where ginseng typically thrives and grows best.